So good evening to all the beautiful people gathered here, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear children. Allow me to begin with the timeless words of Mahatma Gandhi. And I quote, "The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others." These words remind us that true fulfillment comes from giving, caring, and uplifting those around us. Today, first and foremost, we bow our heads in tribute to the legendary Shri Zubeen Garg, the humming king of Assam, whose soulful voice has touched countless hearts and whose music will forever echo in our memories. Zubeen had expressed his wish to visit our school many years ago, but somehow we could not match our time and date due to our hectic schedules, especially his hectic schedule, and that regret will always remain in my heart because he loved children. As we mourn his profound loss, let us also embrace his dreams. His dream of a compassionate society. May we work together to build a new Assam, an Assam where love, kindness, and empathy towards all living beings flow endlessly like the mighty Brahmaputra. This year, 2025, also marks the birth centenary of the iconic Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, the Bard of Assam, whose melodies continue to inspire generations. As the nation celebrates his 100th birth anniversary, Scholars Home joins in, honoring his legacy. We are indeed fortunate to call Assam our home, where such luminaries were born, leaving an indelible mark on our culture and heritage. Let us draw inspiration from their lives and work towards a brighter future. On behalf of Scholars Home Public School, I extend my warmest welcome to each one of you to the 1929th Annual Day celebration of our school. It fills my heart with pride to see this hall graced by eminent personalities. We have our esteemed judges from the cultural field, popular actor Kopil Bora with us, and award-winning film director Prerna Borborua is on her way, and Professor Dr. P.J. Barua, sir, from the Assam Royal Global University, is also on his way and we are waiting for him. They are stuck in the traffic jam. We have our respected guests, dear parents, and our well-wishers here. I'm deeply touched to have my family here. My dear mother, Rajkumari Aruna Khandikoi, my dear sister-in-law, Miss Pranita Rabha, and my Bioni Pubali Bujar Borua is on her way too. And my wonderful friends are here who have stood by me through every season. I can see Dr. Dullabh here, I can see Kabiri Rabha, I can see Shama Trivedi, I can see Madhuji, I can see Albert Da. Thank you for joining us, Dipsan. I'm so happy to see you all here. Well, my journey with Scholars Home began in 1996 when I was a 25-year-old mother with a 1.5-year-old baby on my lap and a dream in my heart. There was no kindergarten school in Soti Joymoti Nagar then. I wanted to contribute something worthwhile to society, but also didn't want to leave my little daughter in the hands of an ayah. So with a small amount of money saved from my earlier job in Delhi, I took a leap of faith. My husband supported the rent and salaries in the new school for 1 full year. My father, late Shri Bhadreswar Khandikoi, donated the fans and toys, and my brother, now retired Colonel Arindam Handi, gave the furniture. We started with just 7 tiny tots and a mother's hope. Of course, with the blessings of our elders. Slowly, with love of patience and God's grace, those 7 children became 100. Since last few years, about 70 to 80 children join our school every academic session. And today, as we complete 30 meaningful years, Scholars Home stands not just as a school, but as a humble, happy world of our own, built with great love, dedication, sacrifice and faith. We have always believed in offering quality education at an affordable fee so that even families from humble backgrounds can dream of giving their children an English medium foundation. Through the She Trust, that is Scholars Home Education Trust, we support the education of a few young girls. I must acknowledge the generosity of Mrs. Madhu Sethia, who is with us today. She has been supporting the education of girl students who belong to humble backgrounds for more than 10 years now. Like her, we have a few more brave women with me who support the underprivileged children. And dear friends, our doors are open to more such beautiful people who wish to join our noble mission any day. My heartfelt thanks also go to our devoted teachers, Miss Shukla, Miss Preeti, Miss Pompa, Miss Deepika, Miss Baby Tara, our Aya Didis, Pinky, Baby, Payaldi, and my dear daughter, Dr. Vipunjaya Rabha Bujar Borwa, herself a proud product of Scholars Home. They are the pillars who make this little world flourish every single day. To the parents and the wonderful residents of Soti Jaymoti Nagar, thank you for your unwavering love, trust and encouragement. Scholars Home is what is today because you believed in us. The next foundation course for our fresh students will begin from January 2026. Admissions are open and the prospectus can be collected from our school office on any working day. So this evening, our little stars are excited to perform for you. They have rehearsed with joy and innocence for weeks. So please forgive their tiny mistakes. They are learning, blooming and shining in their own beautiful way. Today, when I look back, I feel blessed. Yes, we have built this peaceful, loving Scholars Home for children where they bloom like flowers, shine like stars. We are happy to share that most of our former students are well placed in their field of work or profession. Thank you for being part of our journey. For now, please sit back, relax and enjoy the performances of our precious children. Thank you once again for joining us and have a beautiful evening ahead. Over to Rodali.